Okay,
now,
so
say the timer is not gone off.
tap it. I'm right here.
I did.
No, hon, no, we can't do that when the video is playing. We can look at it in a little bit. Okay, when Miss Myler was telling you the number story with the dinosaurs and the unicorns, what was she doing?
Joining numbers together.
And when you do that, what happens?
Now, if I get through with this side, I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to do it.
When you join two numbers together, what happens?
I'm going to put my plus sign.
Do you?
See what I did? I made
Oh,
a
I
little
know.
box.
You make a letter.
box plus
When
a
you join
box
two numbers together, you make a
equals
letter.
And you're going to keep playing it, okay? Until the
What do you
timer
think?
goes off. Now,
What do you think? Is that what happens?
let me see. We got 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so we did. What was our question?
Could you bring me?
A basketball player scored 9 points in 2 games. What might her scores in each of the games be? What number did we make?
9.
9. And how were ways that we could make? So let's think about the number 3. Jason, you brought up the number 3. What are some ways that we can make the number 3? A group of what?
3.
1 and 3?
1 and 2.
Why do you think that?
Because look, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so let's show that on our board. A group of 1 and a group of 2. And let's see if that does make 3. Johan, Fabiana said a group of 1 and a group of 2. Let's see if that makes a group of 3. Can you show me, Tackett, a group of 1 and a group of 2? Macy, same with you. A group of 1 and a group of 2. I'm going to do the same thing. Here's my first group of 1, and here's my second group of 2.
Look at me. Okay.
Now, does a group of 1 and a group of 2 make 3?
Yeah. Look, 1, 2, 3.
So Fabiana, how do you think? You showed us how we could check that. What did you do to check it?
Group of 1 and group of 2 makes 3.
I like. Look how Johan did it.
In my mind.
Johan showed.
Me too.
Look how Johan did it. He showed a group of 1 and a group of 2, and then to check his work, he made more tally marks as he counted. 1, 2, 3. That's how he checked it. How else could we make a group of 3? There's not just one way to make a group of 3. So how's another way we could make a group of 3?
Just 3 and that's all.
Just 3 and that's all. So your first group. Let's draw that. Let's draw that. Actually, let's do it with our counters.
Counters?
We're making 3. So how many total counters do we need?
Squeak.
How many total counters do we need?
3. Group of 1.
We're making groups of 3. We're making 3.
Group of
We're composing numbers to make them 3.
I'll make 3. Group of 2 makes 3. It's a block in the ground.
Oh, I'm sorry, Shirley.
Block in the ground.
That's all right. We'll get it later. Okay. So our first one was a group of 1 and a group of 2. Let's show me that.
Group of 1.
Show me the first way we did it. A group of 1 and a group of 2, Macy. Show me a group of 1 and a group of 2. That was our first solution.
Group of 1 and group of 2 makes 3.
Yeah, I like that. Okay, so now show me, using your counters, another way to make a group of 3.
If you're actually play with them right, or you're going to not play at all.
Like that? So what's your groups over there?
3.
And? What is nothing? What number is nothing? What number is nothing?
0, 3.
Where?
3.
Very. Fabiana says a group of 0. So Fabiana said a group of 0 and a group of 3 makes 3. Are there other ways we can make it? What do you think? 5? We're doing 3.
Oh, 2.
We tried a group of 1 and a group of 2.
Group of 0. Group of 0, group of 2 makes 2.
That's right, but we're doing 3.
1.
What do you think?
1 and 1 and 1.
Wow, Macy. So Macy said a group of 1 and a group of 1 and a group of 1 makes 3.
Group of 2 and group of 1 is 3. We already did.
That's very smart. What do you think? Oh, I like what she did. She switched hers and she said a group of 1 and a group of 2. But she switched the order.
I did that too.
Does that still make 3? If she switches her order?
Look how I make mine. A group of 1 makes 1.
You're right.
Group of 1 makes 1.
So when we played our game yesterday, let's see. Let's
Let's
try
go
this.
jam.
Let's try this. We played this game all week, right? With our friends. Johan, we played this game with our friends all week, right? Where we rolled our dice. Let's try. I'm going to roll the dice and let's see. Let's see if we can make a group of 6. What group are we making?
6.
A group of 6. Okay.
3 and 3 makes 6.
My first one is 5. How could I show that? You know what I'm going to do?
I got 5.
I'm going to draw my dots.
I'm going to draw 6. I got 6.
But I'm
1, 2,
we're making
4. I can't read. 5.
okay?
I got.
No, we're not doing it.
I got.
Okay, you got 4, okay?
I got.
So each of you roll your dice and write what you got.
Then what do I got?
Okay. Wait, we're all going to be trying to make a group
I didn't
of
have a die.
Listen,
5.
oh, here you go. We're all going to be trying to make a group of 6. So roll your first dice and let me see what you have.
5. Where's my
Have a
dice?
3, okay?
Where's my dice? I did a 1 and a 5.
Okay, but your first number was what? And we're going to make, what was your first number? 1.
5.
Okay.
Miss
So
Lily, it was on 7.
if Macy's first group was 1 and
No, that's 5.
she has 2, listen.
Group of 5 makes 6. I got 6.
Listen, Jason, listen. Okay, then draw your 6 with your dots or however you want to draw it. Let's go back to our question, which is a basketball player scored some points.
Because it was 10.
You do not our dice does not go up to 10. You do your first, you roll 1 time and that's the number. Okay? Roll 1 time and that's your number. And I want you to listen. Tackett, you're not listening if your marker's up in the air. A basketball player scored some points in 2 games. And we're going to say our basketball players, Macy scored 6 points in her basketball game in 2 games. 5, okay? But Macy's first, Macy, what did you roll this first time?
3, 4.
A 5? So if Macy scored 5 points in her first game,
6, 1,
what does she need
4.
to score 6 in 2 games?
No, you
Why do
didn't
you
get
think
this. This is Mara.
1 and 5 and they join together.
This
makes
is
sense.
Lola. Can I see?
Okay, let's see. What did you get? So Macy's 5 and 1 makes 6. What did you get? 5. So you scored 5 points in your game, your first game. How many points do you need to score in your second game to get 6 points total? You scored 5 the first time. So what do you need to score the second time to make a group of 6? 5 and 1, okay? What did you get, Fabiana? Listen, because we're all going to listen. So Fabiana scored 4 points. How many more points does Fabiana need to get 6 points? 4 and what makes 6? A group of 4 and a group of
4, 5, 2, add 5.
Tackett, what do you think? A group of 4 and a group of
2.
Group of 4 and a group of 2. Tackett, you got 3.
Okay.
So you have a group of 3. Oh, yes, mystery caller, but right now we're working on math, so we have to talk, okay? You got a group of 3. How many do you need in your second group to make 6? A group of 3 and a group of what makes 6?
No. On Monday, just don't have a whole week.
0 and 6, but you got 3.
Okay, fine.
So a group of 3 and a group. Oh, you're saying you got 6 this first time? You're right. A 0 and 6. Wonderful. And what did you get? 2?
No. 1.
You can tell me all the time. Well, Shelby's easy to
Okay,
get.
erase your boards.
No.
Erase your boards.
Are you taking it?
No, it's right.
Okay, you can show me.
This way.
Okay. Now, we're going to go back to the problem we worked on about the basketball player. Are you ready? If you're ready, show me you're ready by putting a finger over your mouth.
I don't put it.
You may use this one. There's only 3, so we have to share. When you're ready, put your finger over your mouth.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No!
Great. Okay. Fingers over your mouth when you're ready.
Mrs. Charlie. Wait.
You made a group, but how'd you make that group of 10? A group of what and a group of what?
10.
A group of, how many are in this group?
Group of 5 makes 10.
Very wonderful job, Johan. Okay, let's go back to our problem. Jason, where did you go? Okay. A basketball player scored 9 points in 2 games. I need you to show me. Some of you wrote numbers. Some of you did counters. I want you to show me another way to make 9. So, you have 3. Who wants to show me using counters?
I need one more.
Yeah. So how many? You're going to show me groups of 9.
I need one more. I need one more. One more.
Okay, show me ways to make a group of 9. So those are probably Jason's, Fabiana.
I need one.
A basketball player scored 9 points in 2 games.
Okay.
I'm going to get mine as well.
9 plus 0 makes 9. 10.
Can you
I
show
got
us?
10.
Show us your groups.
0. 1.
So let's look at this. I'm going to set up mine. How many is this?
A group of 5 and a group of what makes 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
So look
9.
over here.
I got 9.
Look over here. We all have 9 because how many points did the basketball player have? Second, how many points did the basketball player have?
2 and I made mine like this.
9. Oh, I like that. I like how you join those together like that. Okay, listen. Oh, that's okay. Listen. If I have a group of 8, I like what y'all are doing with your squares. So so this is game 1, and this is game 2. In my first game, I scored 8 points. How many points do I need to score in this game to get 9?
5.
If I have 8 here, how many do I need to score here?
7.
Look over here.
8.
I'm waiting for an answer. If I scored 8 here,
8.
and I need to score 9, how many do I need to score here?
Mrs. Charlie.
Jason, what?
I got 10.
Okay, let's take one away.
I got 9. Look at Macy's.
Are you making groups of 9 over there? Show me. Write your numbers at the top to show me your group. Jason,
I'm erasing my
a group of 8, and then I need a group of what to make 9? A group of 1? Fabiana, attack it, and Shirlene, do you agree? Shirlene, why don't you do the same as me and show me? So look, Shirlene set hers up so she can work with me. A group of 8 and a group of what? What do you need now to make a group of 9? What do you need now? You have 8, but you need 9. How many more do you need? Oh. So you had a group of 8, but you need a group of 9. So how many more do you need to make 9? 1? Okay, show me. Show me how you know that's 9.
There's a happy face here. Crazy? No, that's my eraser.
Okay, now show me some different ways you can make.
Now I got it.
Show me how you make 9, Shirley.
Now I don't have an eraser.
Tack it. Show me another way that you can make 9.
That's cool.
You can draw pictures. You can use your counters. You can write numbers. You can use your dice.
We can have pictures.
Show me ways to make 9. Oh, I like what, but show me. There's 2 games. We're playing 2 games, and our games have to equal 9. Our games have to be 9 points total.
Let me get a pretty high.
So show me ways to make 9 using how many numbers? How many numbers are we using? 1 number?
9.
No. It was a basketball game, and they scored so many points in.
2, 1.
Okay, but that's how many groups? Did the basketball players play 5 games? Did the basketball player play 5 games? She played 2 games. Show me how to make 9 in 2 games. Tackett, let me see that. Tackett said in 1 game 5 and 1 game 4. That's 9 total, right? Can you show me another way? You did 5 and 4. How about another way? What other 2 numbers make 9?
Okay.
What other number? How did you?
I just did this one.
You really like 0, don't you? Show me another way, Fabiana.
I'm not
Without
okay.
0.
I made 2 plus. Ooh, I can learn a group of 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3. 2 plus 7.
So you
3, 4,
said in the
5,
first
6.
game you scored 7, and the other game you did 2. And do y'all see how she did hers with hearts? I like that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So you said a group of what? How many is in this group?
What do you mean?
6 in a group of?
Make 9. Anthony.
Okay. Now, Fabiana, Jason, up here.
No.
I'm going to try to trick y'all. Let me see if I can trick you. In my first game,
Everybody that do not bother Miss Turley's group, come back.
in my first game, I scored 9.
Look at me.
How many did I score in my second game?
Look at me. 14.
I don't know.
14.
She refused to play the
So
game.
a group of 9 and a group of 14 is going to give me 9. So a group of I scored 9.
I know one.
What?
A group of 2. Maybe smaller.
A group
This
of
is
2.
smaller.
But look right here. I'm trying to trick you. I
This
scored.
is smaller.
Yes.
5
Okay.
plus 5 equals 10. Group of 9.
Yes.
Group of 8 and group of 9.
Group of 5 and a group of 5. Look, we'll show. Don't know if it's getting there. You did wonderful. But we're doing 9. Can you show me 9, Johan? I'm trying to trick you. I scored 9 points in my first game. How many did I score in my second game? What do you think, Macy? My first game, I scored 9. How many do I score in my second game?
Oh,
9.
10.
0? How do you know?
Because you scored 9 in your game.
Okay, so let's say
I'm going to put them join
I scored 6 in my first game, and I scored 3 in my second game.
And y'all stop wrestling
Jason.
on the carpet.
Look, guys, I scored 5.
Make sure that I joined them together.
You did join them together, a group of 7 and a group of 2. Now, let me ask you a question. If this was your, watch, this is her groups right now, a group of 7 and a group of 2. Now, what if we did this? Macy, watch. What if we did this? Watch. I'm going to try to show you. What if this was her group, her first game, and this was her second game? Did she still?
Group of 5.
Is it different?
Nope.
How did I change it?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, no, 9. Because 2, 1, 7, 3, 4, 5,
So even if I
6,
switch
7,
them,
8, 9.
does it make a difference, Jason?
No.
It doesn't make a difference if I switch the numbers?
No. It's just the same. Because a group of 7 and a group of 2, it's still the same thing.
Tackett, what do you have?
Group of 5 and group of 4 is 9.
That's right. And so if we, look, Tackett did a group of 5 and a group of 4 makes 9. That's what Tackett did. A group of 5 and a group of 4. Look. What if I did this? What if I did that? What?
For 9.
It's a group of 9 still? What if I did this?
Mr. Turley. Mr. Turley.
Why?
That way you have 5 and 4.
Okay. So what if I gave, watch, now I'm going to watch. Jason, put your mark. Okay, markers down. Markers down. Macy, back over here. Okay, thank you for blowing your nose. That was very smart of you. Ooh, and look what you did. A group of 5 and a group of 4.
Who did that?
I have a group of 9. Everyone, put your cubes to a group of 9, just like packets.
And this is a fun game.
Look at me. Look at
Okay,
me.
you want me to show it? I will show it. Okay, Johan did a group of 5 and a group. Show me your. Tell me about your groups.
Group of 4 and group of 5.
Makes
9.
9. What if you switched them? What if you switched them, Johan? When you're done with your group of 9, let me know. Charlene's ready. Charlene, you have one more. What if I did this?
I'm done. I'm done.
How many do you have now?
Now we can color this off.
Okay, you're done. Okay, so, and I said, here's the 9 points we scored in our 2 games. In our first game, we scored 2. How many am I going to take off? 2? We scored 2. So, how many needs to be left over to make a game of 9?
I'm going to be a color.
We could put it back together, but let's just think we took 2.
And I'll show you how you
So
play.
how many needs to be?
Okay,
How many needs to be
Tony.
in this hand?
Miss Tony.
We took off 2, but we only took off 2 tackets.
You're going to be green.
So how many need to be in this hand? We took off 2. How many need to be in this hand?
Look what I did.
That's why I picked it.
Oh. So even if I have a group of 9 and I take off 2,
I have a little
how much
special
is my
dog,
group
okay?
still?
Now I'm gonna roll it.
9.
You think so?
I rolled 5.
Because why?
I have to find a picture that has 5 in it, and I already see it. A group of 2 and a group of 3, so that's my spot.
Very good.
Okay.
Very good.
Riker, there's your